Hello, my name is Mariia Bilous, and in this video I would like to share with you my perception, what kind of massage I do. I would like you to decide what do you want. I would like you to know me before you meet me, before you decide to do a trial massage workshop with me, or if you already decide, for you to better understand the conception, for you to see the perspective, to feel, to dive deep, step by step. I like to teach people that in massage, in the field of massage, you have to step by step give time, give practice, give understanding. Don't take everything at once. It will come with practice, it will come with understanding, step by step. My name is Mariia Bilous. I have been doing massages around 7 years. I did several kind of trainings. I met a lot of people. I did massage exchanges, and I had been talking a lot about massage. This is my big passion. This is something that I'm really excited to talk about, to share, to teach, to give my knowledge, my experience, and I'm very happy about that. I'm grateful for you to participate in my trainings, in my videos, in my Instagram. Everything I do, I'm building little by little. And let's start. So there are so many different types and ways of doing massages, and first I will tell which kind of massage, and then I will share about my massage. Different massage therapists, they decide how they want to do the massage, because you can concentrate and focus on the physical part, anatomy, fixing, physiology, fixing the body, they crack the body, osteopathy, do something. So you fixing a problem, you have a pain, you have the issue, you have something wrong, and you just go and dive deep. This is good, but this is another way of treatment. There is another type of the people who focus on the energy healing, sounds healing, chakra healing, kundalini healing. Reiki is also connected to the body, but it's also another type of massage. Tantra massage, it's also energetic work. It's something that we cannot touch, but we feel. It's more sensitive people, it's more soft touch, and it's more deep work. What I like to do, I like to connect them both. I like to do deep tissue massage, shiatsu massage, Swedish massage, Thai massage, and I like in combination of the healing part, of the energy, because you cannot separate them. I mean, you can, and some massage therapists do, but for me, I cannot separate them. I feel them, I feel the body. I want to touch, to feel like the presence of the skin, of the muscles, and also I want to feel the energy. I want to feel the softness and beautiful touch around, beautiful energy around. And it's something that I would like to teach you. Not to follow the protocol, because in hotels, in salon, in places where you go often, like in company, they tend to do the protocol. They have a protocol. They need to follow rules. 30 minutes for back, 10 minutes for leg, 10 minutes for head, for neck, it's all following protocol. In some massage spa salons, you will find out that there is two different massages. One massage from here, from a neck to down, and even they don't do neck, they just do shoulders and down. And there's another massage for the facial massage and the neck décolleté. So this is two different massage. What I do, I like full body massage. We do massage for whole parts of the body without sexual parts. But I like to touch all parts of body, to take care of each cell, each muscles and skin. So for me it's very important, and in my lessons and workshops, full workshop, I do full body massage. These first things you need to know. In the first day, we will learn about back massage. There is a lot of different topics, techniques, feelings. You will learn my conception, how I do massage, preparation, beginning, the ending, the medium, the process. And you need to think about your goal. If you would like to do it as a work, so you treat another person like client, or you would like to do just for your person, for your partner, massage on the bed, just simple bed, not a massage table, because there is different techniques and different feelings and different movement how you will do that. So I'm teaching all scenarios as you like. I'm teaching on massage table, on the bed, on the floor. It's all possible. It's just different techniques, different perception, how you touch the body, how you move it. Because, for example, imagine massage table. You put table, person lay down, and you're just walking around it. Yes, there's a lot of details, but you're walking around. On the bed, you need to switch from one side to another side, back and forward. You need to think in advance where you have to be. The same on the floor, how you move the person, how you stretch the person, where is your back. There's so much details and so much information in one lesson. And I really love to give all. I really love to explain everything I know in the time, of course, I have. This is my first courses, my first workshop. I'm creating the ideas and the feelings around that. So I'm super excited about that. And my workshop will be the best because I really like perception and feelings and doing my best that I can for now. So you have to decide where you would like to do the massage, on the bed, on the massage table. If you plan to buy it, it would be amazing, because if it's massage, full massage 1 hour, this is the best choice. If you decide that you want to do massage before sexual interaction, you can do just 30 minutes. You use some soft techniques, some relaxation, and after you just touch the private parts and you go deep. This is another perception, and I will take the tantra training, so I also can teach you about tantra movements for couples. So for me it's very important to combine all together and see what is useful for you, see what you would like to learn and how you would like to learn. So you decide which techniques you would like to use, because sport massage, active massage, it's completely different from a relaxing massage. I like to combine because I like to play it. I like to feel it like I'm painting the body. I'm just playing with myself. I'm playing with the speed. I'm playing with the pressure. I'm not following the protocol. I'm following my feelings, my feeling inside my body, because I'm connected. I'm connected to the earth, to the universe, to all. I'm connected to the person. The moment I put hand on the person, I'm already connected. Actually, we connected already before person came, because person messaged you, so you already have connection, but we're not gonna go deep. We put our hands to the person and we connected. So the moment the game started, the feeling started, it's not just technique, something like manually we just, playing around. It's something deeper, something with feelings and with the state. How we can change our state, our mood with massage, just by putting our hands on a person is so connection, so unique, so deep. It's my pleasure to feel all that and share with you. And the more you know, the more you feel, the more you treat another people from your perspective. You feel how you are, and after you give to other people. Thank you for watching me. Welcome to my workshops. And if you have any question, let me know. I'm very, very happy to answer you. Thank you.